Hi guys, how are you? Happy Monday, happy This Week in Polish. This week was a rough week because my internet was down. So last week, This Week in Polish, guess how long it took to upload to YouTube? Usually it takes an hour-ish to upload it all. This time, because I was using the hotspot on my phone, it took 6 hours. Yes, it did. That's how much I love you, because I work for 6 hours to get a video up. And I still have no internet. It's been like a week, and Lucy is dying. We were supposed to get internet yesterday. Today, when I'm filming this, is Friday. Thursday, we were supposed to get our internet back, but there was some kind of miscommunication. The Comcast person never showed up, to our frustration, as we waited for hours and hours and hours, and still nothing. But Lucy was so excited for Thursday because it was Internet Day. Not because it was Valentine's Day, but because it was Internet Day. When you are 8... and you have not experienced life with no Wi-Fi, it's pretty much the end of the world when you have no Wi-Fi, just saying. I mean, it's inconvenient for me too, but, you know, I was around when dial-up was a thing. I was around before the internet was even a thing, so, you know, back in those days. That makes me feel really old. Anyhoozles. We still do not have internet. I do not know when we're going to get internet back or how long it will take me to upload this video, but hopefully not 6 hours. We shall see. I might need to take a trip to Starbucks and borrow their Wi-Fi. Anyhoozles, it was Valentine's Day. I hope that you guys had a fantastic day. I went and got to spend the whole day with Lucy at school and participate in their Valentine's Day Friendship Day is what they call it. Friendship Day party. And it was so much fun. I miss being able to go and hang out with her at school now that I'm working full time. I miss that little piece of my day, but at least I got the day to hang out with her, and it was fantastic, and she was so excited that I came to hang out with her. So that was really, really good. Great Valentine's Day. I had a phenomenal day. So, other than internet problems, it was a pretty great week. We have a bunch of polish. I have 4 manicures, all of which are the same color except for the one that I'm wearing. I had a theme going this week on accident, but I was just, you'll see. I was just feeling a color. So, let's just get into these polishes. Okay, so I figured it was Valentine's week. I need to wear all my pinks. I need to wear all my pinks. No. Pinks. I need to wear all my pinks. Which is impossible, by the way, for 1 week, because I have a lot of pink. Because it's my favorite. So this is one that I had not tried yet. I don't think I've even tried this brand before. This is Starlight Polish, and I got it from Polish Pickup. In October. They have the date on their label, which is so helpful and fantastic. So this is like a fuchsia red pink jelly, and it has so many flakies. It's those flippy iridescent flakies that I love. But the interesting thing about this polish is that some of the flakies flip a green, yellow, blue color. Most of the time, all of the time that I can think of in all the polishes that I have, if the base color is this pink color, the flippy flakies are the pink purple flakies. So I don't recall seeing a polish that has the green leaning flippy flakies in it It was so interesting to wear. It was not at all what I expected. I don't know why, but I forgot that these green flakies were here. Anyway, I love green and pink together, and so this was really pretty. I had planned nail art to put on top of it, but the green flakies just threw me off, so I wore it by itself, which was fine. I loved it by itself. All my nails, just this polish. It is kind of sheer, it's a jelly, so I needed 3 coats for opacity. And I really liked it. My first Starlight polish experience was pretty good. And I got some beautiful new polishes from Angie. This is Painted Phalangie's MC Clap Your Hands from her newest collection. It's available now, it just released, and I did a swatch and review video for these polishes if you're interested. This one is, again, pinky leaning, but this is like that purple pink hybrid that I die for. It melts my heart. Plus, there's a ton of copper elements in here, which, if you know me, you know I love my copper. Everything combined with everything. Copper is the perfect accent to all the things. Any hoozles, it's copper glitter, and there are other multicolored holographic glitters in here too, I think, but I see mostly copper. This polish is so pretty. It's almost opaque in 2 coats. I think it's like really close between 2 and 3, but I did 3. And then I have never tried that little like French manicure heart detail, so I tried, guys, and I'll show you the picture so you can see how hard I fail sometimes. I mean, it wasn't really that bad. I failed harder before, but I used this, which is Leggy Legend from Essie. So it's a really strong, beautiful, rich copper color, and there is gold and like red shifty shimmer in there. I don't know, I see a lot of different colors, but it's so rich and just pretty. I love these together. I didn't adore my nail art, but these two together were really pretty. For Valentine's Day, I did a Moonshine Manny Skittles manicure, and I was crazy about this combination. These polishes are some of my very favorites. This one is one that I always forget about, sadly, because it is stunningly beautiful. This came from the Wonder Woman collection, which was a few years ago, 2 years ago. It's called Demigoddess, and it's this really rich cranberry berry color, blackberry, cranberry, something. It's a berry, and there is super strong red shimmer and a ton of holographic glitters. This polish is so dimensional, and every time I wear it, I fall head over heels in love with it again. And I'm like, how did I forget that you exist in my life? And why am I not wearing you every single day? That is what I tell this polish. She is so pretty. And it's like original OG Moonshine Manny. Oh, so this had to have been like 2 years ago, because it's in the old bottle. This was right before she switched bottles, I think. And that was in July, because I went to hang out with her and help her switch bottles. Right? Am I totally confused? Anyway, 2 years. This is beautiful. Then I used True Love, which, first of all, the name is perfect for Valentine's Day manicure because True Love. Secondly, the color is perfect because look at this color. This is Beetberry Jelly plus holographic. It is the perfect holographic. It's 1 coat. It's so sparkly. It's this gorgeous, stunning berry color. It's another one that I'm like, I put it on and I die a little bit because it's too perfect. And I'm like, why can I not wear you every day? I need like 20 different hands so that I can wear all of these polishes. I just can't. It's too beautiful. And then I think I made the right choice, which is another one that I had to wear because of the name. Plus, it's this really super light pink. It looks a lot white when I just was wearing it by itself, but when I had it in this Skittles manicure, it looked so much more pink for some reason. But I loved it. I loved the fact that it didn't match, because the other two are really similar in color, and this one is really different, so it was like an accent nail, and it just looked so cute. Then I drew a little heart on the nail that I had this on.
Oh crap. Man, I've been doing so good.
I put a little black heart on the nail that I was wearing this polish on. Very simple, but I thought it was so cute. So as you can see, this was like the color that I was going for this week. Apparently, I just really wanted all the berry pinks. Last polish is, nope, not polish. Last manicure is all China glaze. It's a lot because I'm crazy, but we all know that. So I started with this guy. This is more fun, and it is one of my favorite weird, ugly, pretty polishes. It's a chartreuse green. It's not the best formula. I needed 3 coats, but it's so cool and weird. It's almost identical to Inchworm from Sally Hansen. If you guys have that and you don't have this, or have this and don't have that, they're almost the same. But I love this color. I love it. I did a dot cure with these 4 colors. Now, I don't know. Like I've said before, I really don't know how I pick colors. This time, I kind of got an idea because I used Google. This is what I do occasionally. So I put in whatever color I want as my base. For this one, I used chartreuse green. So I put in chartreuse green in the Google search, and then I ask Google basically what colors go with chartreuse green. And it pulls up a whole bunch of different interior design pictures. And then I'm like, oh, that would look good. Oh, that would look good. A lot of pictures were chartreuse and navy, or chartreuse and like fuchsia pink. And I just did pink and green a few weeks ago. So I didn't want to do that. So I decided to do like, stay in kind of the same side of the color wheel, you know? So I have, let's just say which colors I have. 4-leaf clover, which is a blue leaning green polish. I have wait and see, which is a greenish tealy aqua color. This is a gray. It's called Elephant Walk. And nope, not that one. Lastly is this purple, which is Seas and Greetings. It's kind of like a dusty grape purple, but it's only dusty because it has a really strong pinky shimmer in here. So with all of those polishes, I did a Dotacure dot gradient. So I concentrated all of the dots down at the base of my nails, and then they get less close together as you go up to the tip. It's the same as a glitter gradient, obviously. It's a gradient, it's just with dots. Alright guys, those are all the manicures that I have to show you. We did pretty good. We did 4. And it's Friday, not Saturday. So I had one less day and I did 4. Good job, Stacey. Good job. Go me. So, let me know what you've been wearing. What were you wearing for Valentine's Day manicure? I really would love to see that. Were you wearing True Love from Moonshine Manny? Because I feel like a lot of people were wearing that one. Because it's so perfect. I mean, the name is True Love and the color. You have to wear... Okay. We already got excited about this once. Let's calm it down. Calm down. Okay. Thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you for putting up with my crazy. I hope that you enjoyed this week in polish. And I'll be back very soon with more videos. We have some new Moonshine Manny to look at soon. I still need to edit that Swatch 20. I don't know when my internet is coming back, so I'll just have to wait and see. I'm sorry guys, but I mean 6 hours to upload a video, that's a lot of hours. That's a lot. So, we shall see. Wish me luck with my internet journey. Life is rough when you have first world problems, especially when you're 8. Anyway, thank you guys. I will see you soon.